And then there were 4 manufacturers in NASCAR. So Ram has announced it's bringing V8 engines back to its light-duty 1500 pickup lineup for 2026, and that's not the only new V8 truck it's going to have next year. The automaker has also confirmed it's going to be returning to the NASCAR Truck Series next season. Ram gave up its last factory effort in the series in 2013, and the last trucks wherein Ram bodies raced in 2016. But the brand CEO, Tim Kuniskis, sees a lot of opportunity in the NASCAR fan base, 50% of which he says drive pickups, 20% of those owning Rams. Now, this is a pretty low-risk, high-reward opportunity if Ram does it right. The Truck Series uses a spec chassis, so really all the company has to worry about is design in the body, which of course features plenty of cues from the production trucks, including the grille and fake headlight design. What Ram doesn't have yet is a team to race the trucks. It's kind of put this cart before the horse. Kuniskis said he'd like to have at least 4 trucks in the series. 2 would do, 6 would be ideal. They have a lot of time to work on that before next February when the season kicks off in Daytona. But they're going to be hanging around the track a lot between now and then. They have promotional events planned for the races this year, which includes a party lounge that it's going to have in the fan zones. And there's one interesting element that's going to include as part of the V8's return. Ram is launching a new logo it calls the symbol of protest. And at the tracks, they're going to have an oversized version of this that works like a mechanical bull. And if you stay on it for the time limit, you're going to get a t-shirt that's only available if you can pull that off. You could expect a lot more stuff like that going on. And if this all goes well, you can also expect another brand to be coming back to NASCAR. Kuniskis said the goal here is to set up a return to the Cup Series, which wouldn't be with Ram, it would most likely be with Dodge, and is a couple of years off, think 2028 at the earliest. And this is kind of interesting because the last time the Dodge brand returned to NASCAR after leaving in 1984, it first came back in the Truck Series. Back then the Ram pickups were sold as Dodges, and then it launched the Cup Series effort in 2001. That ended in 2012 with a walk-off championship by Brad Keselowski. But even more than the Truck Series, there's no way to know at this point what team might bring Dodge back. And one bit of trivia, the last race won by a Ram in the Truck Series came in 2012 at the American Ethanol 200 at Iowa Speedway with Ryan Blaney behind the wheel, who today drives for Team Penske, which coincidentally was the team that fielded Keselowski's car in 2012. As far as the production trucks are concerned, they're going to be in showrooms this summer. It's the same 5.7 liter V8 that was available in 2024 with 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. And it will be available in nearly every trim except for the high-performance RHO and the top-of-the-line tungsten luxury truck. Ram has a lot more news coming through the end of next year, more than 24 announcements, Kuniskis said. And of course, as soon as we get them, we'll bring them to you. So don't forget to check out American Cars and Racing every day for the latest.